Home Remedies presents How to make turmeric soap at home. Turmeric is a well-known beauty ingredient and is used in tons of beauty products these days. This ingredient is known to treat skin disorders, brighten and lighten the skin, remove dark spots and heal scars, and can give you a glowing look. Adding this spice into your skincare products will help reduce both dark spots and blemishes. Looking out for ways to use turmeric for skincare? Well, today I have brought forward a recipe on how to make a DIY turmeric soap at home with only 2 ingredients, and it is so easy to make. You will need goat's milk soap base or any other soap base, 500 grams, turmeric, 1 teaspoon, essential oil, 10 drops. This is optional for fragrance. Procedure: take goat's milk soap base and cut it into cubes. Place in measuring cup and melt it in microwave for 30 seconds at high. Once the soap base is completely melted, add in the turmeric powder and stir really well until the turmeric is well mixed with the soap base. Add in a few drops of essential oil to make your soap smell good and pour the soap into a soap mold. You can also use a cardboard box, or you can also cut out the bottom of Pringles chips container and pour the soap into it. Let the soap set completely at room temperature overnight. Unmold the soap from the mold and wrap them in a plastic wrap and store them in a cool, dry place. Wet skin with warm water. Gently apply the soap to create a lather and rinse clean. Store in a cool, dry place to avoid quick melting of the soap. I really prefer these homemade soaps, especially for washing the face. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.